When clothing is given the function of identity labels, socks, once a marginal category, have quietly become a powerful tool for the public to express their attitudes. Whether printed with environmental slogans, two-dimensional characters, or customized with personal anniversary patterns, the emotional value carried by socks has far exceeded its practical significance. 360 Seamless Digital Printing is a printing process that uses digital direct printing technology to achieve a full-circle printing process without splicing marks on tubular fabrics. The pattern is coherent and smooth. There are no extra threads inside the fabric, and the details are clear. Cotton is popular for its excellent moisture absorption and breathability, and is comfortable and skin-friendly to wear. Moreover, cotton has good absorption of ink, which can present bright and full colors, and the printing effect is long-lasting. Polyester is a synthetic material with excellent elasticity, so the socks made of it fit the shape of the foot and are not easy to deform. At the same time, it has strong tolerance to ink and high color reproduction. Even after multiple washings, the pattern is still clear and bright. Nylon material has high strength and good wear resistance, which can make the printing more durable. It has good moisture absorption, which can make the ink adhere better and the color brighter. It also has good elasticity and can adapt to different wearing conditions to keep the printing intact. How much imagination can a pair of socks carry when digital printing technology meets unrestrained creativity? The socks in a small space are instantly transformed into a unique artistic carrier, allowing every step to show a unique attitude. The world of personalized socks is full of surprises and possibilities, and each pair carries a unique story and style. Welcome to visit Colorido's official website www.coloridotech.com to learn about cutting-edge socks printing technology and witness how creativity becomes reality through precision equipment. I believe that in this wonderful customization process, you will definitely find the perfect pair of socks that fits your soul and makes your